Alright, so I know I've been hammering down on the minimalist hate, but indulge me for a little this video. It's not groundbreaking news that most websites are made for sales. No one really cares about websites made for artistic statements except your dev portfolio. The goal is to get users to click on something, and currently there's a trend where people are just putting pretty images with mediocre UI next to them. They have images with absolutely no connection to the product it's talking about. There's text that's vague and also too small for anyone to read. Sometimes there's random menu items that don't really make any sense because you have no idea what the product is. There's repetitive text or too many fields that are not necessary for high conversion rates. Also, there's a small call to action that's barely visible or convincing. Don't get me wrong, there's an artistic element in web design that should be embraced, but the problem comes when people start believing that this is good website design. Just because it's popular does not mean it's good. But if you're working for clients most of the time, they're gonna want something pretty or a fancy animated website. So the trick is to find the happy medium. Here's a Figma markup that I found on Twitter. Let's pretend that this is what the client wants. So let's fix it up a little bit. I'm gonna move this text up and get rid of the font change because I can't really see it down there. I'll let them keep the nav bar, but the call to action needs to simplify. There's a lot going on here. We don't need the user being able to contact them on every single social media platform. We'll just streamline it into an email system. Let's compare our first example again and change it up. Let's make the call to action a little larger and more clear. They can still have the anime girl image, but let's get rid of the unnecessary text. Wait, I think I just made a video endorsing minimalism now. Well, uglier does sell better. And of course, you're going to have to test the design to see if it's an actual better implementation, but we'll cover that in a later video.